Hey YouTube, today I want to show you I'm actually building a little retaining wall. Putting in a pool, and I had to level the pool, but for me I had to build up a good 6 inches, if you see. So because of that I need to put in a retaining wall. Mine is only going to be one high. The process is the same whether you're going one high, two high, it doesn't really matter. You want to make sure it's level with a level like I'm starting to do. I'll show you at the end. I'm really not going that much farther, but I'll show you how it finishes. But you want to make sure you get it as level as possible, and this will help hold back the dirt so it has something to go against when it's done. You could go on a base, it depends. If this is really holding back a lot of weight, you may want to put down some kind of concrete base. In my case, this is going to work fine with the soil. But I'm going to keep going and I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, YouTube. So I finished my retaining wall. And it came out pretty good. Now, this garden wall, if you're doing a garden and if you're doing one level or two levels, this is perfectly fine. If you're building a bigger retainer wall, you probably want to consider mortaring in the bottom so nothing moves. In my case, I think this is going to work fine for me, but that's something to consider, just to give it a solid base so it doesn't sink. But this is a quick, easy project anybody can do with garden block. So anyway, if you're looking for a project to tackle at home, this is something you could definitely do. Anyway, good luck with your project. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.